guys, we are back in the camping next day. Look, we got a flower. Okay, let's go find Ted. Let's go get Ted. Let's go. Come on. Here you are. Oh. Yeehaw. Oh, look at you, come on. Oh.
Make a cup of tea, shall I?
Yes. Yes, you are cute. Oh, down. We're sitting down.
Where's the kettle?
Oh yes, he just kissed me.
Give you a kiss?
Can you film it? See if he'll kiss me again.
Give me a kiss first.
Oh, what's a good boy. He did lick me.
Looks like you're staying in today, yes?
Yes. Dad?
Windows are shut in here, aren't
No, look it up.
they? Is that, what's that over there?
Oh,
Where's your
It's happening. Is
phone?
it charging?
in there.
Okay.
What will you do now?
Is that a special Georgia bowl? Gas one.
Use feathers. Oh, what are you looking at that for? So you don't say anything wrong. Use. What have you done?
Sunbathing today. We're going to sunbathe.
Louis is loving it in the sun. Play on my stocking pads because I got the cover. Oh, you good boy.
This is not a hangover, it's just some random headache.
Dad! Loose. Loose. Hello to the camera. Come here. Come here. You say hello to the camera. Oh, you say hello. Say hello, Ted. Oh. I just want to chew the grass. Okay, I'll leave you to it then. Cute attack, cute attack.
I don't think we've got a car